Architectural considerations in agent development are crucial for creating robust systems. Key factors include scalability, ensuring the system can handle growth, and maintainability, allowing for easy updates. Utilizing an agent development kit, also known as ADK, streamlines these processes. It provides essential tools that are designed to support developers in building flexible and efficient agent systems. Another critical aspect is interoperability, making sure that agents can communicate effectively with each other and with other systems. This promotes collaboration and data sharing, allowing for more sophisticated interactions and outcomes. Additionally, security considerations must be integrated into the architecture to protect sensitive data and ensure that agents operate in a safe environment. Lastly, adopting a modular design allows for components to be developed and updated independently, facilitating easier maintenance and upgrades. This architectural approach can significantly enhance the overall performance and effectiveness of the agent-based systems in real-world applications. Modular design in agent development enhances flexibility and reusability. Each agent component, like a perception module for sensory input, is self-contained. This allows developers to focus on specific functionalities without being overwhelmed by the entire system. Clear interfaces between modules reduce dependencies, allowing independent development and testing. This approach not only facilitates easier debugging, but also speeds up the development process as teams can work in parallel on different modules. For example, updating a communication module does not require changes in other components as long as the interface remains consistent. This independence strengthens the overall robustness of the agent. Moreover, modular design promotes the use of libraries and pre-existing solutions across various projects. Developers can reuse modules, reducing the redundancy of effort and accelerating the timeline for new projects. In addition, with a modular architecture, it becomes easier to scale the agents. New features can be added as new modules without the need for extensive modifications to the existing code base, which greatly enhances system maintainability. In conclusion, implementing a modular design in agent development paves the way for more efficient, flexible, and sustainable software solutions. By embracing this design philosophy, developers can create agents that are not only powerful but also adaptable to ever-changing requirements. Scalability in agent systems relies on a careful trade-off between performance, cost, and complexity. Vertical scaling, adding CPU cores, RAM, and faster storage, yields immediate throughput gains with minimal code changes, but soon hits hardware limits and diminishing returns. Horizontal scaling spreads agent processes across multiple nodes, providing near unlimited growth and fault tolerance through redundancy, yet introduces challenges in state synchronization, consensus mechanisms, and internode communication latency. I believe a hybrid strategy offers the best of both worlds: vertical scaling for latency-critical services and horizontal scaling for stateless or loosely coupled agents handling parallel tasks. Implementing auto-scaling policies driven by real-time metrics such as CPU utilization for core systems and message queue lengths for worker agents ensures resource allocation matches demand precisely. Complementing this with orchestration tools like Kubernetes and event-driven message brokers such as Kafka streamlines management and reduces operational overhead. Ultimately, by mapping each system component to the most suitable scaling axis, you maximize performance, control costs, and maintain manageable complexity. Effective maintenance planning ensures agent systems remain reliable and minimize downtime by integrating disciplined configuration management, automated delivery, comprehensive documentation, and proactive evaluations. Central to this approach is strict version control paired with seamless rollback procedures. Any problematic update can be reverted instantly to a known stable baseline, preserving service continuity. Automating testing and deployment through CI/CD pipelines eliminates manual errors, enforces repeatable processes, and guarantees consistent releases across development, staging, and production environments. Equally vital is maintaining clear, well-structured documentation that covers system architecture, module interfaces, operational procedures, and recovery steps. This resource supports rapid onboarding, cross-team collaboration, and knowledge retention. Finally, schedule regular system audits and performance reviews to identify emerging bottlenecks and optimization opportunities, enabling teams to prioritize enhancements effectively. By combining rigorous version control, CI/CD automation, up-to-date documentation, and scheduled assessments, organizations can foster resilience, accelerate delivery, and adapt seamlessly to evolving business requirements. Behavioral modeling underpins every intelligent agent's ability to perceive, deliberate, and act in a dynamic environment. By formalizing stimulus-response relationships and decision-making pathways, whether through rule-based systems, utility functions, Markov decision processes, or reinforcement learning frameworks, we create blueprints that predict how agents evaluate inputs, prioritize goals, and coordinate with peers. As the number of agents and interaction contexts multiplies, these models keep emergent behavior aligned with overarching architecture and business objectives, preventing resource contention or unintended feedback loops. Embedding layered behavioral hierarchies, combining reactive low-latency responses with higher-level planning, strikes an optimal balance between agility and consistency. Coupling this with continuous validation against performance metrics ensures that, even as systems scale, each agent's actions remain transparent, verifiable, and aligned with system integrity and service-level expectations. Evaluate your system's modularity by verifying that each component adheres to well-defined interfaces and can be replaced or upgraded independently, requiring minimal code changes elsewhere. Conduct targeted load and stress tests to pinpoint scalability bottlenecks, such as uneven workload distribution or resource contention, and apply strategies like sharding or dynamic resource allocation to alleviate them. Establish clear, standardized protocols for inter-agent communication, defining message formats, error handling routines, and retry policies to ensure reliable collaboration under varying network conditions. Architect your solution with extensibility in mind. Design plug-in points and configuration-driven feature toggles so that new capabilities can be integrated without rewriting core logic. Implement disaster recovery plans by designing redundant data stores, automated backups, and failover clusters to maintain continuity even during catastrophic outages. For fault tolerance, incorporate health check endpoints, circuit breakers, and graceful degradation patterns so that agents can isolate failures and continue operating at reduced capacity. Finally, define a comprehensive maintenance plan that includes routine environment monitoring, scheduled updates with rollback provisions, and a living documentation repository, complete with architecture diagrams, interface specifications, and runbooks to support effective knowledge transfer and rapid incident response.